Imagine you are building a payment system on Cronos. You need to send tokens, check balances, estimate gas cost. But here's the problem. You are juggling multiple tools, MetaMask for transactions, block exploders for verification, manual calculations for gas. And if something goes wrong, good luck debugging. And it gets worse. Want to send multiple recipients? You are writing batch scripts. Need conditional logic? You are building custom smart contracts. Want to know why a transaction failed? You are digging through logs for hours. Now, Cronos has the Crypto.com AI agent SDK, which is great for simple transfers. But what if you need more? What if you need to see your transaction flow before executing? What if you need explainability for compliance? What if you need developer tools that actually understand natural language? Well, that's where CronoPay comes in. CronoPay is the first MCP native payment agent for Cronos that brings AI intelligence, visual planning, and developer tools together. Think of it as your intelligent co-pilot for blockchain payments. Let me show you instead of writing code. Just talk to it. So here in this case, I am trying to fetch my USDC balance from my own Cronos wallet. So it basically calls the MCP tool that I have provided, that is a CronoPay, and it correctly fetches my wallet balance directly and it shows all the details. The next thing that I'm going to do is basically I want to visualize that what if I want to send a conditional payment, that I want to send like zero point 0.5 USDC, right? So as soon as I give the prompt, the MCP tool is called and it tells me to visualize, right? So right now it's like calling the MCP tool, trying to visualize what is my payment and if the conditions are made or not. And just like that, as you can see, a beautiful preview has been made. Like all the HTML code is given and you don't need to know anything about HTML, right? Basically you just need to click the preview button and you would be able to see each and everything, like what was the condition that it checked, what is the status is ready, that means that our condition is fulfilled. Now what if I want to send those tokens for real with the conditions met? Well, that can also be done. I just write it simply that send these tokens to this address when my balance is above 9 USDC. So it checks the balance, calls the tools, and if all the conditions are satisfied, it asks me for the confirmation that whether I want to send it or not. So I simply clicked yes, and voila, our MCP tool does all the work. It automatically does the transactions, it gives us the transaction hash, and in order to confirm, I just head over to the Cronos testnet explorer, and there I just checked that our transaction has been successfully done. So this is how easy it is to do everything with CronoPay. Now what if I don't have real tokens? What do I do then? Well, there is the option of simulation as well. I can just simulate. So here I wanted to send like 100 USDC, but as you can see, our system has correctly identified that I don't have that. Then I tried with the correct parameters, that is 5 USDC. In this case, CronoPay successfully estimated the gas, my balance, my recipient, and the risk. So everything is handled. Since in this I have also added the crypto.com's MCP server, so we can fetch the tokens price in real time. Here I am fetching the price of BTC. As you can see, the price just came up. Next I search up the Cronos tokens and voila. Next I wanted to see a conditional payment. So I wanted to send 1 USDC if the Cro token is above 0.09. Since the token is above 0.1, that is why our payment is successful, and as you can see in the Explorer, everything is executed successfully. Lastly, I created a extensive documentation. This documentation consists of setting up stages to what are the available tools, because I have created 16 tools in total and still building. So it would be very helpful for the developers to go through the documentation to find out the tools that are being existing and to see everything together. It has been really fun building. Thank you.